Hey guys, here is a 52-inch Hunter Regalia II ceiling fan in the weathered brick finish. This fan features the Hunter Air Max motor and it is from the 14th week of 2001. I know I have another video of one of these on my channel, but this is a completely different one because ever since then I've been looking for one that had the included light kit with it, and I found one today. This one popped up on Dumpster Place for very cheap, so I went and picked it up. Was missing the mounting bracket, but that seems to be a going trend for fans I pick up now. So if those of you who don't know, my aunt, she had two of these in her house, but she lives very far away. Only thing is, hers are in the iron finish, but I really can't seem to find that finish at all, so this is just going to have to do for now. But yeah, it's a childhood fan though, so it's no big deal. Here's a light kit. Has these terrible light bulbs that came with it, but those will just have to do. And there's low speed. When I got it, one of the light shades was actually broken. The ring snapped off the shade. Some hot glue fixed that up real quick. It's better without the light on. Not really. Never really got the lighting too right in the shed. Let's see if I can move this maybe up. That's a little bit better. There's a pretty good amount of air on low speed. It's medium. Those are not the original pull chains that are on it. Those ones I just used there for ease. There's a good amount of air though. Just like all the Hunters from this era usually did. And I am thinking about selling that other one that I have. So possibly I will. Here's high speed. Boost them on high speed. Strings going crazy over there. It's fairly quiet. Yeah, I'm not sure who the hell would even use these light bulbs in real life. They're just terrible. But I don't know. See both sides of the blades. I tend to like this finish a little bit better, but since the other video that I had that finish showing, I figured I might as well show this one. There's the hands-free canopy, which I do like. And yeah, so that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.